So today we can start our new topic, that force due to an interaction. So our new topic is what? Force or forces are due to an interaction, or all forces are due to interactions. Okay, so this is our new topic. So we can we can check, or we can test, or we can find what do or what does this mean. Okay, so force due to an interaction, force or forces are due to an interaction. Forces are due to an interaction. Forces are due to an interaction. So what do you mean by force? That we studied. Force is what? Force is push or pull. Force is what? Push or pull, or both. Okay, so what is interaction? So interaction, the meaning of interaction is giving each other. What? Giving each other. Interaction. Interaction is what? Meaning is giving each other. So all forces are due to giving each other. Okay, so giving each other. This is what? Interaction. So meaning of interaction is what? Giving each other. One is if I am giving my chalk to my friends, and friend is giving anything to me, so this is called giving each other. One, I am giving my chalk to my friends, and friend is giving his pen or pencil to me. So this is what means that giving each other. So we can check what is the relation between forces and interaction. So suppose in your textbook you can find that a boy is what? A boy is standing behind a car. Standing behind a car, and boy is not touching what? The car. Okay, so in this instance, suppose this is a boy, this boy standing behind a car, standing near to the car, boy is not touching on the car. Suppose this is car and this is boy is not touching on the car. So in this case, boy and the car are separate, they are not in contact. Okay, in this case, in the presence of this boy, the car will not move. Okay, the presence, if the boy is not touching on the car, then car will not move. Okay, if or boy cannot give any force to the car in this case, because they are in separate. Boy cannot give any force to the car, so that because they are in separate, the boy cannot give any force on the car, or car does not move in the presence of boy only. Okay, the only presence of boy. So next case is what? This is first case. If the boy is to give a force on the car, what he has to do? This is boy and this is car. Okay, this is what? Car. Boy has to touch the car with hand like this. Boy has to touch the car, and boy has to pull the car. Boy has to pull the car. Then the car will move. Sometimes will move. If the car will move or car is moving, then we can say boy did give a force here on the car. If the car is moving, then we can say that boy did give a force on the car. So in this context we can understand, if force to be happens, in this case force is not happen because two objects, that boy and the car are in separate. Here in the case boy and the car in contact, or here force is happened. Here force is happened because both boy and car are involved. Okay, so in this case force is not happened because they are in separate, they are not involved in this. Okay, in this case they are in contact, they are not they are not separate, they involved in giving force. So in order a force to be happens, what we have to do, two objects must be involved. So another okay, so if I have to give a force on the wall, okay, I cannot give wall without any contact on the wall. I cannot give a force on the wall without any contact. Okay, without any contact. Sorry, I cannot give any force on the wall. Just like if there is no contact, I cannot give any force on the wall. I can give a force on the wall, so that I have to first touch the wall and give push. In this case, when I am touching on the wall and giving push, in this case force will be happen. So what we are understanding? We are understanding that if two bodies are in separate, the force will not happen. If two objects are involved, then force will be happen. Next case, next example, if two objects are involved, the force will be happen. If two objects are separate, the force will not be happened between them. Force between them will not be happened. Okay, in this case they are separate, so force will not happen. In this case they are involved. Boy is touching on the car and giving pushing. So in this case force will happen. Okay, if I have to give a force on the wall, just like, but I am not touching on the wall. I have to give a force on the wall, but I am not touching on the wall. Just like this, force will not happen. So in order a force to be happen, I have to touch the wall and give a push. So from this instance we can understand that in order a force to be happen, two objects must be needed. Two objects must be involved. Okay, another example you can see in your in your textbook. What is two girls are pushing each other. Two girls in your textbook you can see that two girls are pushing each other. Okay, this is one girl, this is hand of one girl, this is hand of another girl. They are pushing each other like this. Okay, so forces happen. Why? They are in contact, they are involved. Okay, they are pushing each other. This is hand of one girl and this is hand of another girl. Okay, they are giving force between them, so they are in contact. Okay, so they are in contact. In your picture you can see the hands of two girls are in contact, so forces happened. Next example, you can see that two girls are pulling each other. In this case also the two girls are involved. This is hand of one girl and this is hand of another girl. In this case forces happen because two hands are in contact. Or two objects are in contact. Okay, so if force to be happen, there must be two objects, or in order a force to be happened, at least two objects must be involved. If they are in separate, force will not happen. So in order a force to be happen, two objects must be needed, or two objects must be involved. Okay, so next example is what? Two girls are pushing each other. In your text you can see two girls are pushing each other. And also you can see another example, two girls are pulling each other. In another example, you can see that two girls are pulling each other. Pulling is a force, pulling each other. And another example, you can see that a boy is pulling a cow. A boy is pulling a cow. Okay. So when, listen here. So first point is what? In order a force to be happen, two objects must be needed. They should be involved. At least two objects must be involved. At least two objects must be in contact. Okay. So in this example, the boy is pulling a car. The boy is pulling the car. Okay. So here, so this is first point. In order a force to be happen, two objects must be needed. Okay. Second point is what? Second point what we have to check. Listen here. The second point I am telling that in this case, the boy is, when boy is pulling or pushing, when the boy is pushing on the car or pushing the car, what will happen? The car will also push the boy. Car will also push the boy. If one first girl, this is first girl and this is second girl. First girl is pushing second girl. At the time, second girl will also first girl. First girl is, in this case, first girl is, in your textbook you can see that two girls are pushing each other. Okay, what is happening there? First, one girl is pushing another girl. So that at that time, second girl, other girl will also push first girl. Okay, one girl or first girl, it is represent first girl, she is represent what? Second girl. First girl is pushing second girl. At the time, second girl is pushing first girl. Understand? And that means here the boy is pushing on the car will also push on the boy. So what is push? Force. So boy is giving a force on the car will also give a force on the boy. Understand? In this case, the first girl is pushing on second girl. That means first girl is giving a force on second girl. Second girl also push on the first girl. That means second girl is also giving a force on first girl. In this case, first girl, this is represented by first girl and it is represented by what? Second girl. In this case, first girl is pulling second girl and second girl is also pulling first girl. Understand? So when the first girl, that means first girl is giving a force, pulling is a force on second girls will also pull on first girl. Okay, so first girl is giving force on second girl or pulling second girl will also give pull or give a force on second girl. So first girl. So first girl is pulling, second girl. First girl is pulling second girl. That means first girl is giving a force on second girl. Second girl will also pull first girl. That means second girl will also give a force on second girl. So in this case, the boy is giving a force on first car. Okay, car will also give a force the boy. So force are giving each other. Okay, here force is happening and these forces are giving each other. Okay, so giving each other a force or giving each other is called what? Interaction. So here force is happen and here force is given each other. Okay, so here boy is giving a force on the car is giving a force on the boy. So forces are giving each other. This giving each other is called what? Interaction. So in order a force to be happen, there must be an interaction, that is giving each other. Here not giving each other. Okay, boy is not giving any force on the car is not giving any force on the boy. So there is not a giving each other, there is not a interaction. So force is not happened. In this case, boy is giving a force on the car is giving a force on the boy. So force is giving each other. Force is giving each other. So force is happened here. So interaction is happened here. So all force are due to what? Interaction. Here it is not interaction, so force is not happened. Here it is interaction, so force is happened. Here it is interaction. Okay, here it is interaction means giving each other. Here force is giving each other, so here interaction is there, so force is happened. Here also interaction, giving each other, so force is happened. Next case, a boy is pulling a cow. Boy is pulling a cow. At the instant the cow is standing, boy is pulling the cow. What will happen? Cow will also pull the boy. Cow will also pull the boy. So the boy is pulling the cow. That means boy is giving a force on the cow. At the same instant, cow will also pull the boy. Cow will also pull the boy. That means cow is giving a force on the boy. Here also what? Giving each other. Force is giving each other. Here it is force happened. That means two forces are happening. So in order for, here it is force occurred. Force occurred. So force happened. Cow is giving a force on the boy, and what? Boy is pulling, boy is giving a force on the cow, and cow is giving a force on the boy. Here force is happened, here there is a giving each other of force. So this is an example of force. Here it is what? Giving each other happens. So here it is interaction happened. So in all force are due to what? Interaction. Here it is not interaction, so force is not happened. Here it is an interaction, giving each other. This is an example of force. So here it is what? Giving each other is happen, so force is happen. Here also giving each other is happen, so force is happen. Here also giving each other is happen, so force is happened. In the case of cow, okay, the case of cow and boy, what? Giving each other is happen, so force is happened. If I have to give a force on the wall, so I am pushing on the wall, or I am giving a force on the wall. I am pushing the wall. So at the same instant, ball will also push me. Ball will also push me. Understand? Wall and I are in contact. I am giving a force on the wall. Okay, I am giving a push on the wall. At the same instant, wall will also give a push on me. So here it is force happens and also giving each other. Okay, so in order for force to be happens, there must be an interaction. Okay, here there is no interaction, force will not happen. Here is an interaction, giving each other, force is happen. So here is this interaction, force is happen. Here it is interaction, force is happen. Here it is also interaction, giving each other, so force is happen. Understand? So if force to be happens, there must be an interaction. So all forces are due to what? Interaction. Without interaction, force will not happen. Without interaction, force will not happen. Okay, this is our first topic. So next we have to find what? Exploring forces. Exploring forces. Exploring forces means nature of the forces. Okay, nature. This is also nature of the force. Force must, in order for force to be happen, what? Two objects must be needed. Okay, this is also force due to an interaction. This is also nature of force. What? In order a force to be happen, what? Two objects must be needed, and all forces are due to interaction. All forces are due to interaction. All forces are happen due to interaction. This is also nature of force. Next we have to find another nature of force in the topic exploring forces. In the topic exploring forces. So we will study next topic, but exploring forces. Okay. So this is what? Forces are due to interaction. So here what we have understood that first boy and a car are in separate. The force is not happened. Force is not what? Happen. Second case, boy and the car are in contact. The force is happened. And third case, two girls are pushing each other, force is happened. They are in contact, force is happened. And third case, two girls are pulling each other, they are in contact, so force is happened. They are in contact, so force is happened. Third case, what? Cow is pulling. Okay, what? Boy is pulling the cow. Boy is pulling the cow. Cow is also pulled on the boy. So force is happened. So in all these examples, we can understand. In order a force to be happen, two objects must be needed. At least two objects must be needed. Okay, then only the force happen. Here there is no two objects. Two objects must be, they are in separate. Here they are in separate, the force is not happened. Here there is two objects, there is two objects, here there is two objects. So in order a force to be happen, at least two objects must be needed. So and all forces are happening due to an interaction. All forces are happening due to an interaction. Interaction means giving each other. There is no giving each other, so force is not happen. Here it is giving each other. Here is also giving each other. Here is also giving each other. So we can write that all forces are happened due to an interaction. Without interaction, the force will not happen. So we can write. This is the important nature of the forces. So all forces. First point, in order a force to be happened, at least two objects must be needed. Two objects must be needed. This is the first point. And second point is that all forces are due to an interaction. Okay, in order a force to be happened, but there should be an interaction between them. This is the second point. Okay, in order a force to be happen, there should be an interaction between them. Okay, in order a force to be happen, there should be an interaction between the objects. Okay, this is our exploring forces is also nature of the force that we will study later. Okay, next class.